Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can verify Discord account. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so open up your Discord application on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in with the right account. After setting it up, you'll be redirected to the account's homepage. If you tap over on these three bars which are at the top left corner, the servers list and the bottom icon tree will appear. Tap over on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then scroll down inside the menu page, select account. It will then ask you to verify your email address. I have it verified, but I can show you the steps to achieve it. Now just tap on send verification, and after entering the email address, Discord will send a verification code to your email account. Just open up your email application. In my case, it's Gmail. So after that, look for the Discord mail containing the verification code. Simply copy that code and paste it inside the Discord app and you're done. That's how you can verify Discord account. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.